Now, according to NDC, Professor Frimpong Boateng is now the new angel. Is he forgetting? Said 2018-2019, under this same NDC, the likes of Sami Jemfi Banaheni Kwakubuahen, I see a Dunketieno, Emma Ghana for who said Professor Frimpong Boateng any credibility. He's a man without integrity. On your performer, and that Ghanaians cannot take him serious. Now we're fairly woefully in the fight against galamsey. It was NDC. And then Frimpong Boateng are the darling boy of NDC. In any case, inter-ministerial committee. And he for the forming inter-ministerial committee. Was it not cabinet of Ghana? Mm-hmm. So it was the formation of inter-ministerial committee, a cabinet decision. Mm-hmm. Now, the so-called reports, asempa yen analysis kituabi report a free from Frimpong Boateng. Let me put on record on Adom FM. Say any reporter is coming from inter-ministerial committee. A Professor Frimpong Boateng report. If there is a committee, if an institution, constitutional body be a critic committee, now you are made a chairman of that committee. You are the chairman, and it doesn't mean that you are the committee. And the body that created that committee, any sort of official report to be will be addressed to that committee or that body.